In a recent conversation, Arnab Goswami raised an uncomfortable question to Sridhar Vembu. Is AI replacing jobs? Sridhar's response opened up an even deeper issue. Is AI becoming too expensive for India before it becomes useful at scale? Now, that is a serious question. But I think the debate is getting mixed up. Most people are framing it as AI will replace jobs, or AI infrastructure is expensive, so companies are cutting people. Well, there is some truth there, but the real issue is deeper. AI is not just changing jobs. AI is changing the economics of technology itself. Let's separate this into three layers. First, big tech. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, and Alphabet are in a strategic AI infrastructure race. For them, AI is not just about GPUs and chips. It is also about data centers, land, power, cooling, cloud capacity, talent, and future competitiveness. So when these companies cut jobs, part of the question is, can we run leaner teams and redirect more capital towards AI infrastructure? But that's not a pure SaaS story. That is a big tech capital allocation story. Second, companies like Zoho. Zoho has invested deeply in its data center-led infrastructure model. That gives it control and independence for sure, but it also means that if server memory, storage, power, cooling, and data center costs go up, Zoho feels that pressure more directly. So Sridhar Vembu's concern is very real in the context of running software at scale. So for Zoho, the question is, can software remain affordable when the physical infrastructure stack becomes more expensive? Third, SaaS companies like Salesforce. Salesforce also competes in CRM like Zoho, but its model is different. Through Hyperforce, it runs largely on public cloud infrastructure. So the cost pressure may not show up as direct hardware procurement, but Salesforce has another challenge. Can enterprises be convinced to pay separately for AI agents like Agentforce? Now that is a monetization question. And this is the key point. AI cost pressure is real, but it does not hit every company in the same way. For big tech, it is capital allocation. For Zoho, it is infrastructure cost plus pricing pressure. For Salesforce-like SaaS platforms, it is AI monetization and value capture. So the story cannot be reduced to, hey, AI infra got expensive, so companies are cutting people. The deeper shift is this. AI is changing how work, software, and value are priced. Earlier, software features were built once and scaled at low marginal cost. AI changes that. Every query has a cost. Every summary has a cost. Every draft, search, recommendation, and agentic workflow has a cost. So AI inside software is not just another feature. It behaves more like digital labor. And customers will not pay more just because a vendor added a copilot. They will pay when AI saves time, reduces risk, improves revenue, improves compliance, or removes operational friction. That is why AI first cannot mean AI everywhere. When intelligence has a recurring cost, putting AI everywhere is not strategy. It can become a margin problem. So the smarter question is, where is AI worth the cost? Which decisions matter enough? Which workflows are relevant enough? Where does better speed, judgment, or automation create value higher than the cost of intelligence? That is the real AI first mindset. Business problem first, decision first, workflow first, and AI second. Because the future will not belong to companies that add AI everywhere. It will belong to companies that know where AI is worth the cost. I'll unpack what this means for SaaS companies in my next video. Until then, remember, AI first is not AI everywhere. Business problem first, decision first, workflow first, and AI second. See you in the next one.